Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Hotua Paramanamani. At this time, I'm with four of my friends who will have an English discussion with theme agribusiness. Stay tuned. And now, my group will explain about what is agribusiness from the Oregon State Dictionary of Applied Economics. When I try to explain what is agribusiness, I usually like to start with a little bit of history. Today's word of agribusiness grew out of fundamental changes on what was happening at the farm. We went from farm management to something different. There was a time when farm management was our focus, and that's because the farmer wore all the hats. The farmer supplied the inputs, supplied the labor, was the manager and the owner. Now, those hats may be worn by multiple individuals, so that the input supplier is no longer necessarily the farmer, and the agri-food system that has emerged to accommodate this diversity of roles and responsibilities has led to something other than farm management.
It has started us down the path of agribusiness, the second expansion of our thinking that has taken us from the farm to something like agribusiness has to do with recognizing the farm is no longer just a unit of production, just a place where things are produced. Today, a farm is inescapably linked to the market beyond the farm gate, and as a consequence, as we think about the decisions all the way to the point of consumption. So, in today's market page, we cannot let the farmer think they live in a field of dreams, where somehow when they produce a product, buyers will magically appear.
Rather, we have to look at the integration of the system, from the farm to the end consumer and all the activities that happen between those 2 points. Today, agribusiness is the entire agri-food system that links input supply to farm production, to assembly and distribution and processing, and then on to wholesaling and on to retailing, all the way to the end consumer and their preference. As a consequence, it's a much more integrated agri-food system. No longer is it just farm management.
And lastly, agribusiness is expanding in its role in the broader economy. It's easy to think about agriculture in terms of farming and ranching, but in reality, agriculture is linked to many different components of our national economy. It's just not food, beverage, fiber, and textiles. Really, we have to think even to terms of things like energy with before. We have to think in terms of pharmaceuticals, in terms of things like superfoods, and people eating not only because the food tastes great, but also because it has direct health benefits. So in today's system, when we think about farming and agriculture, we are really thinking about multiple components of today's economy. So agribusiness by Nakasite is the integration of concepts and theories and practice across multiple subject areas.
So when we think about agribusiness in today's context of the agri-food system, we have to not only think about economics and management and marketing, but also think like the political economy, political science, environmental science, psychology. We really integration of multiple disciplines of tools, but its core, agribusiness is about how decision makers working within the agri-food system are making choices and how those choices could lead to the ability to have a safe, abundant, diverse, and accessible source of plant and animal-based products. That agribusiness.
So that's the explanation of what is agribusiness. I hope the explanation is useful, and see you again for the next video. Bye bye.